Welcome to Simple Daily English.
Good morning, Max.
Good morning, Lily. You look very thoughtful today. What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about the future, Max. I am thinking about my goals and my dreams.
That is a big topic. It is good to have dreams. What is your biggest dream?
Well, in 5 years, I want to be a professional photographer.
You already take great photos. Why do you say professional?
I want to travel to different countries and take photos for famous magazines.
That sounds amazing. Which countries do you want to visit first?
I want to go to Japan to see the cherry blossoms and to Iceland to see the northern lights.
Those are beautiful places for a photographer. Do you have a plan to reach this goal?
Yes. First, I am taking an online course to learn more about lighting and editing.
That is a smart first step. Education is very important for any dream.
I am also saving money every month to buy a better lens for my camera. What about you, Max? What are your future goals?
My dream is a bit different. I want to open my own small Italian restaurant.
Really? A restaurant? That is a lot of hard work.
I know, but I love cooking. I want to make the best pasta and pizza in the city.
You already make great pizza. I remember the pizza from your dream.
Yes, but I want to learn from the masters. Next year, I want to go to Italy for a cooking school.
Italy. That is the perfect place to learn about food. How long is the course?
It is a 6-month course in Florence. I need to learn the language too.
Are you studying Italian now?
Yes, I practice for 30 minutes every evening after work. Ciao. Come stai?
Your pronunciation is very good. You are working very hard for your dream.
It is difficult sometimes, but when I think about my own kitchen, I feel excited.
I think it is important to have short-term goals and long-term goals.
I agree. My short-term goal is to finish my Italian book. My long-term goal is the restaurant.
My short-term goal is to enter a local photography competition next month.
You should do it. I can help you choose the best photo.
Thank you, Max. Do you think dreams always come true?
I think dreams come true if you work for them every day. It is not just magic.
You are right. It is 10% magic and 90% hard work.
And we must stay positive, even when things are difficult.
Sometimes I am afraid of failing. What if people don't like my photos?
Everyone feels afraid sometimes, Lily. But if you don't try, you will never know.
That is true. It is better to try and fail than to never try at all.
Exactly. Every mistake is a lesson that helps us grow.
Max, let's talk about the steps to reach a goal. Do you use a map for your life?
Not a paper map, but a mental map. I think about the next 3 months.
That is good. Many people use SMART goals. Do you know what that means?
No, tell me about it.
It means goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound.
So instead of saying, I want to be a chef, I should say, I want to finish cooking school in 6 months.
Exactly. That is a smart goal because it has a specific time and a clear result.
That makes sense. It makes the big dream look like a small staircase.
Yes, you just have to climb one step every day.
Some days I feel tired. Some days I just want to watch TV and eat snacks.
That is normal. Everyone needs to rest. But then you must start again.
What happens if your dream changes? What if you decide you don't like photography?
Then I will find a new dream. It is okay to change your mind. Life is long.
That is true. My father was a mechanic, but now he is a gardener. He is very happy.
It is never too late to start something new. Learning has no age.
I want to be healthy in the future too. That is another goal.
What are you doing for your health?
I am drinking 2 liters of water every day and I am walking 10,000 steps.
That is a great habit. Health gives you the energy to work on your other dreams.
Lily, do you want to be famous?
I don't care about being famous. I just want to do work that I love.
I feel the same. I want my customers to leave my restaurant with a smile.
That is a beautiful goal. Success is not always about money.
Success is about being happy with your life and your choices.
I am happy today because I am talking to you about these things.
Me too. It is good to share your thoughts with a friend.
We should ask our friends about their dreams again.
Yes. Friends, what is one thing you want to achieve this year?
It can be a big thing or a small thing. Tell us in the comments.
Maybe your goal is to finish a book in English?
Or maybe your goal is to travel to a new city?
Whatever it is, we believe in you.
Don't forget that every day is a new chance to move toward your dream.
If you liked our talk today, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to join us for more English stories and conversations.
We are here to help you learn and grow every day.
Thank you for watching and listening to us.
You are doing a great job with your English. Keep practicing.
See you in the next video with a new topic.
Goodbye, and keep dreaming big.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you soon.